standard 6 children. Now we will be doing the chapter unitary method. Okay, by the word unit means what? Unit means one. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to find for one quantity. Okay, so to find for one quantity we call this method as the unitary method. Unit means one. Okay, now I have taken from exercise 9a number 5. Okay, so in the question number 5 you read the question. Okay, so in that what it is given, cost of 13 meter of cloth is rupees 1625. Okay, so cost of, so it's a unitary method. So when the cost of see whatever you have to find in the question, what you have to find in the question, it is given, that is in the question it is given number 5, that is if the cost of 13 meter of cloth is rupees 1625, what will be the cost of 5 meter? So what is the question asked here? What will be the cost? You have to find the cost. Okay, what you have to find the cost. So you will also start the statement from cost. Whatever you have to find, okay, from that only you will start the statement. You have to find cost, so you will also start the statement from cost. Okay, so cost of 13 meter of cloth is costing rupees almost 1625. Now as is a unitary method, you have to 13 meter of cloth is given, you have to find for 1 meter. Okay, so 1 meter of cloth, when 13 meter of cloth is costing rupees 1625, then 1 meter of cloth will be costing more or less. 1 meter cost will be costing less. Okay, less means you have to divide, more means you have to multiply. Okay, so 1 meter will be costing less. So what you have to copy down, after the equal to what is written, that first to be copied down, divided by 30. Okay, so this one, that means here, that means 13 meter is costing rupees 1625. Okay, so 1 meter will be costing how much? Okay, so 1 meter will be costing less. Less means you have to divide. Okay, divide means first what you will do, that is here first 1625, whatever after the equal to that you will take, then by 30. That's right. Okay, so that is, it's like a cross multiplication only. 1 into that 1625 divided by 30, or otherwise you always remember, if it is less, that means you have to divide. Okay, so first after the equal to whatever is written, that you will write first, then divided by 30. Okay, now next you have to find what is in the question given. You have to find the cost of 5 meter cloth. Okay, so cost of 5, when 1 meter of cloth is costing less, then 5 meter of cloth will be costing more or less? Will be costing more. More means what you have to do? You have to multiply. Okay, so first here after the equal to whatever is written, first you copy down that. Okay, so more means you have to multiply, put the multiplication sign, then into 5. Okay, then solve this, you will be getting this answer. So the cost of 5 meter cloth is costing rupees 625. Okay, hope you this understand this. See, when 1 meter is costing rupees 1605 by 30, then 5 meter will be costing how much? Okay, most 5 meter will be costing more. More means multiply. So first this side you take 625 by 30, multiply means into 5. Okay, so or otherwise when you do the cross multiplication, you multiply both this side, right? So anyway you can understand and do it. Okay, now question number 8. Up straight away have gone for the question number 8. In the question number 8, what is given here? If the cost of 15 bananas is rupees 84, how many bananas can be bought for rupees 140? Now, what is the question asked here? How many bananas? So, what is the question asked here? How many bananas? So, you will also start from the statement as number of bananas, because here the question is asked how many bananas. So, you will also start the statement from bananas you can count, so it will start from number of bananas. Okay, so number of bananas bought for rupees 84. Okay, see the first statement, number of bananas bought for rupees 84. For rupees 84, how many bananas are bought? Equal to 50. See here, when you are writing the statement, when you are starting the statement from number of bananas, this number of bananas should be written after the equal to. Like in the first question, when you are starting the statement from the cost, that cost should be written after the equal to. Okay, so here when you are starting with the number of bananas, that number of bananas should be written after the equal to. Okay, now next statement, number of bananas bought for. Now it's a unitary method. Bought for rupees, here 84, here bought for rupee 1, because unitary method first you have to find for rupee 1. So for rupee 84 you will get 15 bananas. For rupee 1 you will get less bananas or more bananas? Less bananas. Less means you have to divide. So first after the equal to, what is there? 15. First write that 15 by 84 you will write. Okay. Now this number of, then third statement, therefore number of bananas bought for how many rupees given in the question? Bought for rupees 140. See, for 1 rupee you get less bananas. For 140 rupees you get more bananas. More means you multiply. Now here after the equal to, whatever is written, that first you copy down. Okay, is more means multiplication. Multiply with 140 and you will arrive at the answer. Okay, now I am going for question number 10. Okay, in the question number 10, what is given in the question? See the question. Number 10, a car travels 195 km in 3 hours. Okay, one car travels 194 km in 3 hours. How long will it take to travel 325 km? Now, what is the question asked here? How long? How long means time is asked. Okay, so you will also start the statement from time taken, or here the time is given in hours. So you can write it as, I have started the statement as number of hours. You can write as the time taken also you can write. Anyway you can write. It is not necessary that number of hours only you have to write. You can write as time taken also. So what you have to find here? How long. How long means you have to find that time. So when you have to find that time, you will also start the statement from the either from the number of hours or from the time taken. So when you are starting the statement from the time taken or number of hours, that hour should be after the equal to. Okay, that you should remember. Now see the statement, number of hours. See, all given in the question, you have to only see the question and write the statement. Number of hours taken to travel. See the first statement, the first line of the question. Okay, number of hours taken to travel 195 kilometer. How many hours? 34 hours. 3 hours. Okay, number of hours taken to travel. Now this is the unitary method. Taken to travel 195 kilometer. Now you have to find for 1 kilometer. For 195 kilometer, it took how much hours? 3 hours. It took how many hours? 3 hours. For 195 kilometer, it is taking 3 hours to travel. Then for 1 kilometer, it will take less time or more time to travel. It will take less time. Naturally, बहुत ज़्यादा distance के लिए time बहुत लगेगा. कम distance के लिए time कम लगेगा. Come means you have to divide. Okay. Now to divide, first what is here before this C statement, before the after the equal to, what is written here? 3. First 3 you will write it. Then 3 by, that is 195. Okay. Then next statement, number of hours. First you have to find for the 1 kilometer, because unitary method you have to find for 1. Then for the question you have to find it. Then number of hours taken to travel 325 kilometer. 1 kilometer के लिए this इतना hours it takes only this many hours. For 325 kilo or ज़्यादा distance के लिए it will take more time or less time, it will take more time. More means multiplication. So first whatever after the equal to that you will copy down, then multiplication into 325. You will get 5 hours. Okay. So like this. Now question number 13 I have done. Question number 13, what is given in the question? See here. Question number 13, that is a bus consumes 12.5 liters of diesel in covering a distance of 75 kilometers. How much diesel will it consume in covering 393 kilometers? Okay, now question number that is 30. A bus consumes 12.5 liters of diesel in covering a distance of 75 kilometers. How much diesel will it consume in covering 393 kilometers? Consume means used. Okay. So now what is in the question it is asked? What is in the how much diesel? How much diesel? Diesel is that is liters. Here liters and distance is given. What are the two things given? What are the two quantities given? Liters and kilometer is given. Now how much diesel? Diesel is calculated in liters. Okay, how much diesel? So you will also start this whatever the question is asked, how much diesel. So that means you have to find the liters of diesel. So you will also start the statement from liters of diesel. Okay, so liters of diesel consumed for the distance 75 kilometer. 75 किलोमीटर डिस्टेंस जाने के लिए कितना डीजल लगा? 12.5 liters डीजल used. Okay. Now it's a unitary method. So liters of diesel consumed for the distance 1 kilometer. एक किलोमीटर के लिए you need less diesel or more diesel? You need less diesel. Less means divide. So first here before the equal to whatever is written that you write by 75 liter. Okay. Then what is in the question asked? Now you have to answer. Now you have to find out that. Therefore, liters of diesel consumed for the distance 393 kilometer. For 1 kilometer you need this much diesel. For 393 kilometer you need more diesel or less diesel? You need more diesel. More means multiply. So first you copy down this. Then more means multiply the 393. Then you will get the answer. Okay. So now the next one I have done, that is number 15. Okay. Now straight away I have gone for question number 15. 44 meter of cloth is required to make 20 shirts. How much cloth will be required to make 35 shirts of the same size? Understand the question. Okay. Now what is the question? How much cloth? What are the two quantities given here? 44 meter, 20 shirts. Okay. One is meter, one is shirts. Okay. What is the question is asked? How much cloth will be required? That is how much cloth will be required to make 35 shirts. How much cloth? That means meter of cloth is asked here. So when meter of cloth is asked, you will also start the statement from meter of cloth. Okay. So the meter of cloth required to make. First line of the question, what is the given? Meter of cloth required to make 20 shirts. For 20 shirts, how much meter of cloth you required? 44 meter. Okay. Now meter of cloth, now it's a unitary method. For 20 shirts, you know 44 meter. So for one shirt, how much meter you need? For 20 shirts, you need this much meter of cloth. For one shirt, you will be needing 44 by 20 meter. Less meter you need it. So now meters of cloth required for 35 shirts. 35 shirts, for one shirt you need this much meter. For 35 shirts you need more meter. More means again same type, you have to multiply and get the answer. Okay. Now the last question I have done. If a man walks 17 km in 5 hours, how long would he take to walk 20.4 km? How long? What is the question asked? What are the two quantities given here? 17 and that is kilometer and hours. Okay. How long would he take to walk 20.4 kilometer? Okay. How long? That means time is asked. Okay. So when the question, the time is asked, you will also start the statement from time. Okay, either you write time taken or the time is given in hours. We can write number of hours also. Okay, so I have written as number of hours. Number of hours, see the first line of the question. Number of hours a man walks 17 kilometer. Okay, because in the first line of the question what is given? If a man walks 17 kilometer in 5 years. Okay, so number of, you have to start the statement from number of, because question how long it is given. So you have to either time taken by a man you can write, or number of hours a man walks 17 kilometer. For 17 kilometer how much time he is taking? He is taking 5 years. For walk 17 kilometer he takes 5 years. As this is the unitary method, you have to find for 1 kilometer. For 1 kilometer he needs very less time. Less time means division. Okay, after the equal to whatever written, that write a division. Now you have to find for the whatever the question given in the question. Okay, number of hours a man walks, how many? 20.4 kilometer. Now for 1 kilometer he needs this much time only. Okay, for to walk 20.4 kilometer he wants more time. He needs more time. More time means multiplication into, let's say, we'll get the time. Hope you have understood.